Drop that knee and tap. Drop that knee. Circle those arms. Make sure you're breathing, even from the beginning. Let's have a look. You guys keep going. I'm going to take a look at Cherise over here. One, let's do this. Get low. Squeeze at the top. I want you to feel it in your booty every time you squeeze at the top. Drive those weights up. Make sure you're breathing. Every time we do these exercises, let's do this. Down and row. Take your time. We're here for a minute. Make sure your abs are engaged. Let's have a look. Athena, I'm coming for you. All right, so good. 2, 1, we go. Lunge. Blow that air out. Helps if you make that noise. That way you know you're drawing that core in tight. Good. Inhale as you lunge. Exhale as you lift. Go. As you bend forward, make sure the core is engaged. Take these slow. That's the only way to maintain your balance on it. Good. Let's go check out Cherise. She's modifying. Engage that core. Draw those weights up. Curl. Good. Squeeze. Lift. Hold. 5, 3, 2. I'm sticking with you. Let's go. You and me. We're going to finish this together. Here we go. Squeeze it in. Extend it out. That's beautiful. If you find your foot is falling, drop down to the knees, shake it out, and then jump right back into it. Let's finish this bonus.